All right, the watch list for Friday, June 14th, Smith & Wesson SWHC. Not really based on the chart here, but based on the fact that it had earnings after hours. Had a nice pop. Went over 10 for a little bit. 974 is where it finished up in after hours. So a gap up to here. It definitely goes on the watch list for tomorrow. LYV had this monster move that we caught most of a couple days ago, and then a kind of a quiet lower volume day, so it just goes back on watch. These recent high flyers or recent crazy movers can give nice day trades the next day, so it's a great way to populate your day trading list for the next day. SWY, a lot of shorts in this one, and it gapped up and sold off all day, but just like what was it, Q-Core from the other day. You see that had that gap up in the solid red day, and look at the next day, had a nice bounce. Possibly looking for the same thing on SWY. SWY has about 20% of the float is short. Same thing with SWHC, by the way. So that one is a good candidate to have on watch. Doesn't mean I just jump in at the open. It's all going to be based on intraday. Now, this is a weird chart, right? It's only been trading for 2 days. GIMO. I like the solid red candle. It goes back on bounce watch tomorrow. It may give a nice trade. Had a huge move on its opening day. Kind of the same deal here. SPRD gapped up, closed near its lows. Goes on bounce watch. Mako had a call in this one today. Moved up, I don't know, about 30 cents from our call, I think. Still looks good. You can, well, I can draw a quick trend line here. Running late tonight, so I didn't put any notes on any of the charts, but 200-day just above. Mako also, I think, a pretty big short position. Let me double check that real quick. 26% short, so Mako could make a nice move here, and it looks like it's trying to maybe turn the corner. WLT, there's nothing pretty about this chart, but you did have a nice volume day today and a first green candle in a while, so maybe we get a second day continuation of the bounce on WLT. And speaking of shorts, I think that one also 24% short, so that can be fuel for some of these. Anyway, we will add other stocks as the trading day unfolds tomorrow, but that's what we're going to start with. All right, have a good night.